The Silva-Safety Slot is a unique alternative solution to the standard loop options on patient transfer slings. Vibrant slot colours provide a quick visual aid and accuracy in sling application. The Sure-Clip safety latch, unique to the Silvalea range of patient lifters, combined with the Silva-Safety Slot, offers extra patient security and peace of mind when applying a sling to the spreader bar. The Silva-Safety Slot tape is attached to an ergonomic loop which allows it to naturally slide into the optimum pickup position. The tapes can easily be wiped down and sanitised and meet NHS laundry standards. The high-strength, durable webbing slots have been carefully and deliberately designed to help reduce friction during the sling application. For those using wheelchairs or in tight seating spaces, the safety slot tapes are streamlined and flexible enough to fold up easily in order to place down the side of the sling, reducing bulk and helping to maximise client comfort when a sling is left in place. Other products available with the Silva-Safety Slot are as follows. Please check our website silvalea.com for all current product options available, as we continually update our designs to meet our customers' needs.